What's up, YouTube? I bet you guys miss me for a little bit, But I say, you know what? I'm not gonna make it stop me from making this video. It's a really personal video towards me and towards a lot of people who's been calling me over the months, even the weeks, when I say I was trying to sell a land in Jamaica and stuff. So, boom now. Let's just kick it off. Like me, I go say no people, say stress, stress, stress. It's a hell of a drugs, man. Stress. So, bam, my people who know me, know me. You don't know it's 416876 Jamaican right now. I don't want my brother car, I'm still don't call him borrow my car, so I throw my equipment in a theme car and say, you know what? I'm gonna do a vlog video right now, See, I'm looking build me there, so me I go vibe out in a car just with this video, I sit down in a car and my people. Come on, turn. I sit down in a car and I think about it. So what kind of video I'm for make? I'm saying no crap the people them say they want me to make the 1 square video. So go and make that. So I think about it over and over again. I mean I say Jay, I really don't want to make the video today right now. Something just up on my head I talk about. Listen. You're stressed out right now. Talk about that. But me as people don't want to hear that. And something just saying in my mind, you know what? You never know what somebody out there got through. So if you can make a video, not talk about explain your stress of what you've been going through for the past year and a half, probably that can motivate somebody else. Fish to say, listen, none of us are perfect out here, and all of us battle our demons, and all of us battle love life, and things don't work out. We never put our anger in it. You understand? So, just like me say, last year, all of this happened. Last year, coming down to this time, right? When I was doing the trucking job, a lot was on my mind because I just come back from, I do the salt truck job first, and I think that really messed me up, right? Because the hours, sometimes you actually your bridging them, you have a one drink and boom, them call you. So them things they start mess with my brain, Sometimes you just go in for half an hour and call you back out and boom, right? So right away, I start see that was as from start the next job interview, something just struck me. And something came in my my right eye, right? It's like I look at that, and me I say that never did it before, and that when is the day I know say things just start change. My eyesight start get look a bit low in the eye there, and stuff like that, and I'm like, why is that? Sometimes my eye get foggy, but then I tell my mother about it. She said probably have blood pressure, high blood pressure or low blood pressure and stuff. So I start do the look of vaccine things them or that or whatever them look of diabetes thing there. You understand? She say, I know that. I got the doctor. I tell him the symptom them, then the countless of blood tests. Then say only thing we say happen is just the calories. It's a little bit high, so you have to take these pills. Then I say, alright then, cool, fine. We take those pills and everything good again. Not everything not good still, but you just have that one that day, but I never know say symptoms lead up or stress lead up to other stuff, right? Because if me know say I stress by that time there, when it could have happen, we could have probably prevent what's happening to me right now, right? So now, boom, now people, we leave from there. Summertime come now. Me I drive the dumper truck now, because I say alright, we get the job for the dumper truck. Everything fine, same way. Me just come back from Jamaica, same way too. Or we just come from a trip, right? So I come back, I work for about 3-4 months in the job. Then the night now, the day before everything happened, my body just, my father called me at Jamaica. I think me that talk to them and me and say, yo, how long if you do this to me? Like, I sent almost $1 million in 2 months. And me not get my wall done, me not get my stuff them done. Like what's going on here, right? Like, and I think people just grow money pan tree, like, you know what I mean? So me get in night with my father at the time and then I say, okay, hurricane I come now. So now the hurricane start come. Me I start fret about this hurricane. I can't remember the hurricane name. So now me start fret about the hurricane. Plus me I drive 14 hours a day there or 15 hours. No, 16 hours a day there. Me I come way up from up north. And I turn tell the boss, listen, I can't. And they might ask me for go 2 more hours. And I say, boss, I can't go, you know. And man, I say, yo, what? Me and him get in an argument and he say, alright, you can go, you can go. Alright? Boom, now I leave and I drive on the highway 401. Boom, now. Not even the 401 I reach it. Because I fight it for reach back on my body. It's like my mind just start, the fatigueness just start take over my body and my mind just start think. Because my father just come off a phone with me. So, yo, we need to board up the window then, because if it's up on the house, I'll be a glass windows and everything, right? Yo, we need to board up the thing them, and me I said, Judge, God, man, I just send, every paycheck, I send $1,000, every pay, way money there, way money, and I rob up all of the black them and everything, so my mind just start run, and I rob up the money them for do all the little stuff them for do for the house. So I'm to get more money from, you understand? Like me, I said, no, what people have got through over here. So don't, boom now. Alright, this so now, me get the panic attack. The asthma attack. Not asthma attack, panic or anxiety attack. I me never get them things yet, you know. I never get, cause me never know, say, you could even get them or feel them type of way. So, people them out there will go through them things. And my apology, because me never know, say, yeah, people have to live like this out there. And go through the pain and struggle out there. But me never face that pain and struggle. Me only feel the pain and struggle, so yeah, me lose money at Jamaica and call it a day. But people have a physically and mentally. Your headspace have a mentally now if I go through them type of lifestyle out here. And people just don't even know what people are really have to fight, have to go through. People really don't know. Sometimes you might see a man out there and you think he might do the best or the greatest, but you don't know where I fight mentally. So boom now, that past the guy now, I take a break and say, me I do. I think my mind just slip up for me and I just start beer drinking after that. Because from that happened, I got the doctor. And no, first I got the doctor. The next day I got the doctor because I want to know what go on. So I got emergency. And him tell me say, I have nerval problem. The man say me overwork and kill my entire nerval system. The man say, why you make it get so bad? Me I say, you come to Canada, dog, you just want to get a mission done, right? You just want to work. If Canada, America, or England, you know, more time, we mentality, I mean, I know, compared to everybody else, so everybody is different. But more time, my mentality just like, yo, we need to finish this place now, man, more get the pool done, more get a car yard, more lift up from right, so now, man, time for cut now, man, like, you know, that's how my mentality keep on doing, pan. And my mind keep on overrunning. Pan that mentality, yo, listen, and if you just cut now, how much you gonna spend a yard and you still like walk on, like, you know? So all of them things are just depend on a person's mind. And people get really scared and freak out over here. Cause I know people will go through it. Yeah. But for me, if you go through it now, I never really know, say, it's that impacting, you understand? So, then now after that happened, that, you understand? But boom, the girl just block me off everything because them just want everything to go for them way, right away. But them don't know what I go through a man head space too. And boom, sometimes us man too, we want everything our way. You understand? So I wanna know what the head girls, the person, the head space I got to. So at the end of the day, all me can say, can everybody just messed up right now, yeah man. Call it a day. Everybody's just in a mental depression, and we don't even know, and we don't even see it. So now I know say stress. I'm really stressed out, and now we are build back. Because many don't want to really come to the fact for know say yeah, I stress out, you know. I always try to say, yo, go the doctor, something must wrong with you different than stress, man. The doctor will quick see up. But they are Jamaica, get all of the different roots them, visit specialists, this and that, spiritual person, whatever. Come here say, I can't stress, what if stress me out, but all of them things are on your head, put trauma upon you, and you really don't know until you come to the fact of everything for really say it's all of this just one big stress, and now you have to just do you. Show this about my people. You just have to just do you now and call it a day. And for the man them out there, you gotta abuse them girl because them cheat on them or them no love them no more. And just take that out of your mind. Sometimes what's not for you is just not for you, and move on. And for the girls them out there, we are traumatized the man them wanna bring come here, please stop it. Because I get phone calls, and sometimes when I put some of my man name through, it's very, very disgusting. Very disgusting. Like a story a man call me. Now I go say them near or anything like that. Man call me and he tell me saying boom and drop in a place. I not go tell you no which place, country or anything like that, because you don't know people privacy that. But instead I can talk about it. And this is why I bring up the topic stress. Because what's the girl pushing him through? The girl don't want, the girl bring him up, and the man want to go road for go work and this and that, and the girl don't want him to go work or nothing like that. And if him go do work and stuff like that, she go push him out. Him not have money for do what him want to go do. She want to give him money for make him go do what she want him to go do, and she have to always be there. You understand? So never get full in detail, but the man say, oh Jay, what me for do? What me for do? I try everything and just me not get my fully paper yet. This girl I try everything for mash me up, dog. For me not get my paper, dog. Like every day me I think about for armor. I mean I say, brother, you know want to do them things. That man I say, brother, me just want leave, man. Like why should I do this them? Why should I bring me up? For me and I for just in an argument every single day. You understand? Every single day. My man say, oh, in an argument with this girl, bro, like, I can't get no peace. I'm gonna try to link to my virgin them. She call me down and cuss me off, this and that, but I just try to get a peace in my mindset, like, what am I do? And this is why I make the video, you know, because I say, you know what, people can't just bold and just tell me them problem. Why me can't do the same thing? For showing us a draw, stress is a real thing. And really the house stress me out, and not even the girl them situation of the house of countless millions of dollars Jamaican me have to spend, and then I have to go back and redo back over stuff because people just rob you and you over here try and I try, but them not even know say them a wither you down and tear you down. But them no keep them I know care them not care no, and know them no know what you really are go through, because when them call up on the phone, them not even want to hear we talk. Them just want to talk about for them problem, and that's about it. And nobody them no want to hear what we are go through at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, our fault then, because we always is a hearing ears, and we always try to listen to them to hear what them want to say, but Them never want, I just the one and two. I never say everybody, but I just the one and two that want to sit down and really listen for hear what you have to say. But this is just a different video, my people. This is my tea time type of video then. You see it, so I'm say a long time I not do one, you know, and people really say, yo Jay, I really listen to your tea time thing, you know, because we are go through a real life and you know, come out here and brag or boast or whatever about like I live this best life. No, you show how real everything is. And right now my people, I just get back up. So you see a lot more vlog videos I come back out right now. I'm saying now my people, I'm going down in a state of all the finger them a shake. And man got the neurologist man say, and your nerves them are nothing. I go back with different pill and the man I say, yo, I tell him to give the pill, yeah. And this until I meet herbal man. It's a herbal man. If you watch the flea market video, please go back and watch the flea market video. I'm not Toronto. I want to call him. I need the herbal man there and he just change me up, but I may go back and put myself in a sadness by go talking back to this girl again. And then one day man I have an argument and I go back, go drink again the other day. Stay on my head and just then my feelings. I mess up my body because drinking not really good when you're really stressed out. But yeah, say yo, I just want a clear mindset, smoking and drinking. You just want to sit down and vibe out because you know your pain and stress, but it just make it get worse. And that means just have to start finding out for myself too. And just leave it alone too, you know. So stress, man, it's a hell of a thing. So people them out there who I go through stress and I try to make it work same way and I big up on yourself. Cause it's not easy. And like myself, the man and woman them out there got the man and woman problem. Can I make it work without arguing? And I try. It's very hard. But when you can come to a conclusion and bygones be bygones and on a part in a way. And for the woman them we bring up the man them over there. And stop ill treat the man them because we have feelings too. And for the man them what we see same thing. And stop it too. Because the woman them have feelings too. So both go vice versa. You understand? Until somebody trip and can't take it no more. So that's why I build this video. God know. Because I go through it. Not like oh you know, I go through the man or woman situation. I just go through my little situation and make it done the way that. Like I said, I build a video for a long time, you know. But my mind just say, no, it's okay. We have a heap of video to make. And then I say, you know what? So down in my car. And my brain just say, no, the video you have to make today. So now I make this video today. So nobody want to reach out and tell me them story. And I want me to post it. And I have my WhatsApp number. And I can post it too. Simple as that. So again, just like one sad video my people. But and every day I can go to the joyful G. I try my best today. But it's part of life. Right? So everybody, bless up on yourself. 416-876 Jamaica. I'm out.